áður en lengra verið haldið.
Já.
Þá væri kannski bara réttast að þú læsir færum hérna í
bréfin
correspondence with Nigeria.
Já,
Sem við kallum
sko,
þetta. Við erum búin að vera í bréfasambandum við nígeriska vin okkar.
Og það nú skemmst að minnast þess að þú hringdir í gær í frábæran nýjan vin.
Já, sem ég man nú ekki hvað heitir. Hann er sem sagt vinnur hjá það sem kallaði Security Company. Og ræddi við hann um hvernig væri hægt að koma á tengslum þar sem að Woody Allen, vinnur okkar, er stattur á sjúkrahúsi og því miður lenti í hræðilegu slysi sem hann var á leið út á flugvöll og þessum skilaboðum er búið að koma á framfæri við Mustafa, son Mariam og en Mariam er sjálfsögðu ástin í okkar lífi, nýjasta ástin og það er komið bréf frá henni.
Já, ég áttúrulega eftir að lesa bréfið.
Já, við skrifuðum bréfið gerða. Okay.
Dear Mariam, at last I'm able to write you my love. Last Friday I had an accident. On my way to the airport I got into a car accident. I've been on the hospital since. I was in intensive care until this morning and could not get to my email or my phone. It has been terrible and I have missed you so much. The only thing that has given me comfort is my picture of you, my love. I have it under my pillow. Þú veist, ég skrifaði þetta því að ég var náttúrulega í helgarfrí og svo var ég veikur hérna á mánudeginum og þannig að...
Og last þetta upp í gær, þetta bréf, sko.
Las ég þetta í gær?
Já.
Aha.
Já. En allt í lagi, það er ekkit verra að lesa það aftur.
Las ég þetta í gær, já.
Gjör svo vel.
But don't worry, my love. I'm okay now. In the accident, I broke my ribs and my left leg. I've had some internal bleedings from my kidney, but I have been operated for that, so now I'm mostly okay, except for the pain. I have a private room with a computer, so I will be able to write to you. After the accident, when I woke up in intensive care, there was this woman who is working there, and she is a black woman. I think she's a nurse. I was under heavy medication, and I told her I loved her, and I was always grabbing her breasts during my operation. I thought she was you, my love. But now I owe her an explanation, and you too, my love. Forgive me for being obsessed by you. Enough for now, Woody. P.S. I will call Mustafa today and set things straight. I think he should spend more time with you. I will talk to him. Okay?
Reyndar hringdu við ekki Mustafa í gær, við hringdum hins vegar í vin þeirra maðgina í hjá tryggingafélaginu. En þetta
við
var
hringjum í hann á eftir.
Já, við sjáum til. Jú,
Mér langar aðeins að gefa honum svona fatherly advice. Nú er ég á spítala og get ekki hreift nú er hann að vera húsbóndinn á heimilinu.
Akkúrat. Það er komið þetta yndislega, já, mér líður eins og við eigum son.
Já.
Við erum búin að ættleiða lítinn strák.
Akkúrat.
Sem er nú kannski stórstrákur, en allir þurfa að eiga föður. Það er sama hvað þú verið gamall.
Þetta geti verið sko titill á teiknimynd. Mustafa. Son of Africa.
Einmitt.
En það var bréf frá Mariam í morgun.
Já, og nýtt bréf hefur komið.
Já.
Og nú er þetta þennar fyrstu viðbrögð við slysinu.
My dear Woody Allen, I greet you from the depth of my heart. I am really very sorry for the accident you had on your way to the airport. I wish I was there with you to show you love and care. I was really worried since I did not hear from you now that I have gotten a reply from you. I am now okay, and I know your condition, and you are okay.
And
Okay.
I know you are...
And I know your condition, and you are okay. Woody, please take good care of yourself for me, and do apologize to that nurse who has been taking care of you, and please don't hold her breasts. It's really nice you are alive, and you are getting better. I want you to take good care of yourself, and because in life, health is wealth. And life is important, so please do take care of yourself for me.
Health is wealth.
Woody, I really will want to talk to you now that you are not fine, so I will want you to call my son and telling him to try and travel down to where I am so that we can talk for a few minutes because I really want to hear your voice. Although he told me that he has sent you all the information you need of how you are to make contact with the security company. Woody, take care of yourself, my love. I await your reply, Mariam.
Býtu, þannig að við erum að tala það, ef við hringjum núna í Mustafa, þá alveg hugsanlegt að hann leyfi okkur að tala við Mariam.
Það bara full hugsanlegt, já.
Herðu, þá ætla ég nú bara ekki að tvínóna með eitt eða neitt. Skulum hringja í manninn hér í beinni útsendingu og sjá hvað kemur út úr því. 2, 3, 4.
Herðu, ég ætla kannski að vera svolítið á lyfjaður.
Já.
Með lyfjum.
Það samfærandi. Maður á spítala. Ok, þetta að gerast. Hugsanlega.
Hello?
Yeah, Mustafa?
Yeah, Mr. Wood, how are you today?
Oh, I'm not so good today.
Okay, well, thank God. I got an email from my mother telling me you're not feeling too good. You had an accident. I'm really very sorry for that.
Yeah, I had an accident on the way from the on my way to the airport. But I'm taken good care of here. They're taking really good care of me here.
Oh yeah, please do. But it's very important. Health is what, you know that.
What?
Health first.
What?
Health first. Health. Your head first.
Yeah. My. Also, although I'm they're giving me medicine. I'm on medicine. But can I talk to your mother now?
No, I'm not home right now.
Oh.
I'm not there now. I'll be making an arrangement. I'll be traveling to where she is. Can you call me 8 p.m.? 8 p.m.
Yeah, but Mustafa, listen to me, son.
Okay.
You have to take good care of your mother.
I will.
You cannot leave her like this. I think she's too much alone.
Yes, I know that.
Yeah.
I have to earn a living. No money. I run around to get deliberate. Things are hard for us, like we told you.
Yeah.
Now I don't have money. I have to borrow some money to travel down to her place now.
So
you can talk to her at 8 p.m.
Borrow some money, but don't leave her alone. She cannot be alone like that. I now that I am in the hospital, you are the man. You are the head. Do you have any work?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I don't have. That is why I wanted you to help me finalize this transaction so that I can get our money back and start life.
Listen to me, son. Listen. We will fix that problem. Once I'm out of the hospital, we will fix it. But take good care of your mother. Don't leave her alone.
I know that.
Yeah. You must.
How long are you?
What?
How long are you staying how long will you be at the hospital?
Oh, as little as I possibly can. I am not a hospital person, you know.
Yeah, okay.
I'm a busybody. I always must be doing something. And this is not the drugs are making me tired. I'm sleeping. I have pains.
Oh, very sorry.
Yeah, listen to me, son. Listen to me now, carefully, because I'm going to tell you. You have to go to your mother.
Okay.
And take care of her. I think she's way too much alone.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you writing it down?
I'm I'm writing it down.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm taking note of it.
Okay. So, but what about the? Can I? I love her so much.
I know. She told me. I know.
Yeah. And I miss her because I would really love to have her here with me.
Yes, that's what we're making arrangement for.
Yeah.
All what is hindering it is money. Money is what is hindering it.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
That is why I'm telling you to just try your best. As soon as you are getting better, you can call the security company now.
Yeah, I called them. I called the guy yesterday.
Okay. What did he tell you?
He told me to call him again.
Okay.
And I fell asleep. I don't know. I have his number here somewhere. And he was very nice man.
Okay.
Yeah. There was no problem. He was very nice. I will take care of business with him. And I was born, and I was very poor when I was born.
Oh, that is how life is always been.
Yeah.
Rich people, they are always very poor at the beginning.
Yes.
They're always very poor at the beginning. Then later part of life, they will always make it.
Exactly.
Because they'll be determined in life. They will be determined. That is why this is my present situation. I don't really think too much. So that I know sooner or later God is going to use you to help us, and we get back to our life, and we invest our money, and life is all over. Bye-bye to Africa. I will never come back to Africa.
No, exactly.
The people, they are very bad. They're really treating my mother so bad, treating us, the rest of the family, members of the family, very bad. I don't even have money now. I've not even eaten this morning. But I know by the grace of God,
Yeah.
by the grace of God, this will be better again.
Mustafa, please. Please, it's...
I don't know how I'm going to get money, but I will do my best, and I'm believing in Allah that I will get money to travel today to see her.
Oh, it's very hard for me.
If you were not at the hospital now, I would have asked you to send me small money to be able to run around.
I will try and do that.
I will send you an email. I will send you somebody. I cannot use my passport to collect money.
No.
The government will ask. I will send you an information today.
Yeah, do that.
So that by Friday, if you can send me small money, I don't know how much you can send to me.
I can, whatever you need, my son, I will send it to you. But don't cry.
So that I can go and, okay, I won't cry again.
No.
If I shot me, I won't cry again.
No, Daddy is here.
I will send you an information.
Yeah.
So that you can withdraw, you can send me money. I don't know how much can you send.
Oh, I don't know, $1,000 or $500, whatever. You just tell me what you need. Try to ask.
I will calculate all the money I will need, then I will send you an email.
Yeah.
And I will tell you the amount what is going to cost me, so that you can send me some money. So that I'll be doing small things, depending on when I can travel over to Iceland to start life again.
Exactly, and just when you feel lost and hopeless, just remember that you have a father. You have a
a father.
Yeah,
my father. It's really nice talking to you.
Yes, son.
Father, please, I want you to send me a reasonable amount of money, that you can send to me. That will take me for some time.
I would do anything.
Okay.
I would do anything for you. I will do anything.
I sent mother flowers on your behalf.
Oh, thank you.
I sent her flowers.
Yeah,
sent her flowers.
I think she's
sent her flowers.
I think she's a little bit too lone. I sense it in her letters that she's lonely. And
Yes. No, I talk to her all the time. From where I send the flowers, it cost me close to like $150. The money in courier delivery here is very expensive.
Yeah, okay.
I send it to her. I always send it to her. So I will send you an email so that you can send me. If you can send me like $5,000, I
Yeah.
don't mind.
5,000.
I don't know how much.
Yeah, okay.
5,000,
Yeah, okay, 5,000. Yeah.
I will
That's
send
no-
you an email. Please do not tell the Western Union where the person you are sending it to. Just so you are sending it to. Don't let them know so that they won't ask you too many questions, please.
No. I'll take care of it personally. Personally, I'll take care of it.
Okay.
And
By Friday, will you be able to send me the money so that I'll cash it any ounce of your money?
yeah,
Okay, by Friday.
by Friday I will have it. If you meet her, tell her that I called and I said I love her.
Yes,
And
I'm
can
going
you
out.
can you give her an invisible flower for me, like
Yes, I will.
just imaginable? It's the flower of my heart,
Okay.
which is a poem I wrote for your mother. The flower of my heart. Do that for me,
The
Mustafa.
flower of your heart.
Mustafa,
I will do that.
are you
Father,
writing
I
it?
will do anything.
Are you
I'm
writing it down?
Yes, I am.
Yeah,
I am.
the flower of my heart for my
Flower of
love,
your heart. Okay, for your love.
for my love.
Really nice. For your love. The flower of your heart for my love.
Yeah, and
Okay.
sorry for the grabbing of the nurse. She will understand what it is.
Okay.
I beg her.
I will talk to her.
Yeah.
No problem, Father. Father, I'm really going to talk to her for you.
Yeah.
I will always make sure I'm always by her side now. Since you've assured me, I will always make sure I'm always by her side now.
Yeah.
So that
Stand by her side.
by her side.
I will stand by your side, and she will stand by my side, and we will be
Okay,
a
Daddy.
family.
Good, Father.
Yeah.
Father.
Yes, son.
Nobody has ever talked to me like this.
No.
Nobody has ever given me hope.
No.
Father, you're really a father.
Yes,
You're a father.
I try to be. I really want to be.
Oh, Father, sorry. I'm feeling pain.
I have pain in my whole body.
Oh, Father, sorry, Father.
But-
Father, sorry.
But nothing like the pain in my heart, no. For being apart from, being away from my family.
Oh, very sorry. Father, very sorry, Father.
Yeah.
Take it easy.
I love you, son.
Very sorry. I love you too. Father. Father, you take it easy. You go to bed now.
Yeah.
You call me. You're going to call me 8 p.m. please. Unfailingly.
I will
8
call you.
PM. 8 p.m. today.
Yeah.
8 p.m. I'll be waiting for your call. I'll stand by her so that you talk to her very briefly so that the security around her will not notice.
Yeah.
Okay?
Kiss your mother.
Okay, so
Kiss
that
your
you-
mother from me.
I will, Father.
Write it down, my son.
I will. I'm taking note of everything,
Yeah.
Father.
Write it down. Kiss my mother and the visible flower of my heart.
Okay, Father.
Yeah.
Father, sorry. Take it easy. Take
Yeah.
it easy.
The invisible flower
Easy.
that I
Okay, Father.
present.
Father, take it easy, Father.
Yeah. Goodbye for now, my son.
Okay.
Take good care of your mother while I'm in the hospital.
Okay. Take
Okay.
care of yourself.
Yes.
Okay, Father.
Goodbye.
Já, tveir fullorðnir menn að þykjast grenja í beinni útsendingu hér, þetta er magnað.
Rokkið er dögt. Lengi lifi rokkið. Skonrokk.
Doktor er tónlistaþáttur hinna víðsýnu, hinna gáfuðu og hinna leitandi. Doktor Gunni spilar góða tónlist úr öllum áttum á laugardögum milli klukkan 12 og 3 hér á Skonrokki 90,9. Doktor er í samráði við Túlur.
Ég þekk eingöngu túlir.
Skonrock heldur upp á einsás ammali þann 20. ágúst næstkomandi. Stöðin hefur fengið frábærar móttökur frá fyrsta degi og við viljum þakka fyrir okkur með því að bjóða heppnum Skonrocks hlustendum sæti í Skonrock stúkunni á tónleikum Lou Reed í Laugardalshöll að kvöldi ammælisdagsins 20. ágúst. Fylgstu með á daginn hér á Skonrocki og þú gætir næltir í miða hjá Tvíhöfða, Þráni Steins, í íþróttaþættinum eða hjá Orra. Ekki missa af þessum einstaka viðburði.
Lengi lifir rockið. Skonrock.
I come from